Good morning students. Welcome to you all in our English class. Today our topic is doing words. So what is a doing word? The words that describes the action or expression done by a person or an animal is called a doing word. All doing words are called as action words or verbs. So doing words are action and expression done by any person. Let's take some example of doing words. Run, eat, drink, laugh, cry, sleep, dance. Let's take more examples of doing words. What is the girl doing in this picture? Here the girl Rani is drinking tea. So here drinking is an action word. What is the boy doing? The boy is kicking a ball. So here kicking word is doing word. What is the baby doing? The baby is crying. So here crying is a doing word. What's the mother doing in the kitchen? Mother is cooking food. So here cooking word is a doing word. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is eating a carrot. So here eating is a doing word. What is the Ram doing here? Ram is walking to school. So here walking word is a doing word. Start our lesson number 7, doing words. Look at the picture. In the first picture you can see a dog and a dog barks. Barks means bhonkna. So here the work done by a dog is bark. So here bark is the doing word. Next picture, a boy smiles. Smile. The smile is done by a boy. So here smiles is a doing word. Third, the stars shines. So here shine is the doing word. The birds fly. Fly, the work is done by the bird. So here fly is the doing word. So look at the given above pictures, and each picture shows that what the naming word does. The stars shine. What do the stars do? They shine. So here shines, barks, smile and fly all are the doing words. So words that tell us what the naming words do are called doing words. They are also called verbs और action words. Means जो work जब कोई करता है उस work को हम बोलते हैं doing words, और doing words को हम action words और verbs भी बोल सकते हैं. So all these are the same: doing words, verbs and action words. Let's start our first exercise. A. Underline the doing words in the given sentences. Here we have given 6 sentences and we have to underline the doing word from that. Let's read the first sentence. First is, my mother sleeps at 10 o'clock. Means मेरी माता जी हैं 10 o'clock को sleep करती हैं, सोती हैं. So here the work done by mother is sleeps. So here sleeps is the correct doing word. So we will underline the word sleeps. Next, number 2. An eagle flies in the sky. So here the work done by an eagle is flies. So here fly is the doing word. Third, the boy crosses the road. Here the boy crosses the road. So here crosses is the doing word. Number 4, the hen lay eggs. Here lays is the doing word. Number 5, Rama likes apples. So here likes is the doing word. Next, number 6, Mrs. Nadar teaches us English. So here teaches is a doing word. Okay students. Now students, we will do our exercise B. Fill in the blanks with doing words. Choose them from the strip. Here we have given in strip some doing words and we have to choose the correct and then fill in the blanks. Firstly, we will read the word from the strip. Let's read. Science, चमकना. Drinks, पीना. Cooks, खाना cook करना. Swim, swimming in the water. Drives, चलाना. Reads, read करना. Play means खेलना. So let's read the first sentence. Rita reads a book. In this picture you can say Rita is reading a book. So here reads is a doing word. Sentence number 2. The cat dash milk. Here in the picture milk, cat is drinking the milk. So here drinks is the doing word. So we will fill in the second drinks. Now next number 3. The boys dash in the playground. Look at the picture. What were the boys doing? The boys were playing in the playground. So here play is the correct doing word for the sentence number 3. Next sentence number 4. Let's read sentence number 4. Mr. Singh dash dinner. In this picture Mr. Singh is cooking the dinner. So here cooks is the correct doing word. Okay. Next number 5. Dibakar dash a car. Dibakar drives a car. Okay. Next sentence number 6. The ducks dash in a pond. Look at the picture. What are the ducks doing? The ducks are swim in a pond. So we will write here swim in sentence number 6. Okay. Next sentence number 7. The moon dash at night. The moon shines at the night. So here shines is the correct doing word for the sentence number 7. The moon shines at night. Next sentence exercise number C. Read the naming words. Circle the actions that they cannot do. Here we have given some naming words. All these are the naming words, and here we have given some action words, and we have to choose that what that naming word can do or cannot do. So let's start. Read the first is babies. Babies can cry, crawl, fly and laugh. Choose the action word that they cannot do. The babies cannot fly. So here fly is the fly. We can say the fly here is the action that the babies cannot do. Okay, so number 2, birds. Now read the words. Fly, hop, read, sing. Reading, singing and hopping a birds can fly also bird can. Here birds is a word, and birds can fly, hop and sing, but birds cannot read. So here read is the action that the birds cannot do. So here read is the correct answer. Next number 3, dogs. What the dogs can do? The dogs can bark, run and dig, but dogs cannot write. So here write is the correct answer. Next number 4, monkeys. Monkeys can climb, chatter, jump, but monkeys cannot cook. So here cook is the correct answer. We will circle the word cook. Next sentence word number 5, ducks. Ducks can swim, quack and waddle, but ducks cannot meow. So here meow is the correct answer.